guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making an Eton mess, and for this we require half a packet of strawberries which I have cut up, a tablespoon of sugar, I have 300 ml of double cream which I have whipped up, as you can see. I'm just going to put this on the side. So I'm going to be using a clear bowl to assemble my Eton mess. So we're going to add the double cream. So remember not to over whip the cream and to keep it at soft peaks. So I have here some shop bought meringue. So I'm going to now break this up into small pieces. So I'm going to be using about 4 of these nests. And this is the 4th one. So I'm going to now add the soaked berries. So I'm just going to leave a few aside for the topping. Now we're just going to fold this in. So we're not going to mix this vigorously, but fold it in. Okay, this is now folded in, so I'm going to use some serving cups. So I'm just going to spoon these in. So now we're going to just add a couple of strawberries and some blueberries. So here we go, our finished Eton mess. So remember, all my recipes are 100% halal. So I hope you guys give it a try. And thanks guys for watching.